Students, today we will study about corrosion. You must have observed in your surrounding that a shiny smooth metal after some time becomes dull. The phenomena due to which metal are slowly tarnished by reaction of air, water and chemical in the atmosphere is called corrosion. Adding to it, you must have observed that copper vessels becomes green after some time, and a similar condition is seen with silver articles. In long time, when we kept silver article, they turn black. We will understand what is the reason behind it and why it happens. Copper vessels turn green with time as a layer of basic copper carbonate is formed over them by reacting with air. Now look at students. When copper reacts with oxygen, water and carbon dioxide, all these will come from atmosphere. It forms a layer of basic copper carbonate which is CuCO3 dot CuOH whole twice. Because of formation of this layer, copper articles appears green. Now talking about the silver articles generally turn black when kept in open for few days as it reacts with hydrogen sulfide present in air and forms a layer of silver sulfide over it, which is black in color. Now students, not only this, iron also undergo corrosion, and corrosion of iron is known as rusting. So the reaction goes like this. When iron reacts with water, and here it will be written as L, and oxygen gas, it forms a layer of rust which is Fe2O3.XH2. So students, corrosion cause damage to automobiles, bridges, iron railing, ships and all objects that are made of metal. Now we will talk about how we can prevent this corrosion. Especially talking about the rusting in iron, rusting of iron can be prevented by galvanization. In galvanization, we coat the iron metal with more reactive metal, zinc, making alloy. All of us know that iron is known for having rust, but stainless steel that is free from corrosion, that doesn't undergo rusting. So making alloy is better way to improve to prevent from corrosion. Next is painting, greasing, oiling. In, in these method, the surface of iron doesn't come in contact with the moisture, the air and thus get prevented. Lastly, electroplating. In electroplating, chromium and other metals are coated over the iron and they prevent it from rusting. Now students, our last topic is rancidity. Rancidity, it is a slow oxidation of oil and fat present in food material resulting in change of smell and taste in them. You must have observed that if you got by a chance if you got some chips packet which was not having air in it, okay, you must have got some shrinked chips packet and the taste and the smell of the item in it would have changed and it would not be same. So students, what happened to it is it got oxidized over the time. That is why all these chips packet are packed by filling nitrogen gas into them. Nitrogen gas prevent them from oxidation. Now we will talk some more method to prevent rancidity or oxidation of fat. First is keeping food material in airtight containers. Second, refrigeration of food at low temperature, because your refrigerator is having another gas which is CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon compounds. Now, packing of food items like chips in packet containing nitrogen gas, which we talked about. So students, now lastly, by adding antioxidants. As the name suggests, these are the chemical which will prevent oxidation. Example is BHA, which is having full form butylated hydroxyanisole. So students, you must have understood all these topics. That's all. Now students, the theoretical portion of this chapter has been completed. If you are having any doubt regarding any topic, you can ask.